What's up, everybody? I'm Randy. You're watching the 5-5 Garage, and today I will be enhancing the mood and atmosphere of the interior of my 2015 Chrysler 300 with a set of these sweet lights from Auxbeam. If this is the first time you have watched any of the videos on this channel, allow me to take the time to say thank you and welcome. But if you're an OG, you've been down since day one. If you are subscribed to the channel, you follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you have been following the channel, and you should be following the channel, you will know that I have done nothing to my 2015 Chrysler 300. Gotcha. So today, thanks to the fine folks at Auxbeam, I will be working on some interior lighting for that car. A lot of the newer cars all have LED illumination on the inside, and my Chrysler 300 is no exception. Except on some of the more expensive luxury cars, they have footwell lighting as well. Now, my car is a 2015 and it doesn't have it. So, thanks to the nice folks at Auxbeam for sending me a set of these lights, and what these are going to do is allow me to add LED lighting to the footwell area. Now, this kit can do 8 different colors. It can do yellow, red, green, blue, a lighter blue, a white, an orange, and a purple. Now, the illumination on the interior of my car is blue, and I've already tested this before, and it does come pretty close to matching, so I am pretty excited. But you all are wondering, what do you get in this little kit? That's a good question, and I will show you. So, when you open the box, you will be greeted to 4 of these LED strips that have 3M adhesive on the back, as well as plenty of wiring, the IR controller, a lighter adapter that plugs into an available 12-volt accessory port, and this nice little remote that not only allows you to change the color, you can also change the modes of the lights as well. I know it does a chasing light, a strobing effect, and you can also wire it in to pulse with the music from your audio system. I probably won't be going that far. I just wanted to add some footwell lighting that closely matches the lighting that's in the car already. Installation on these is going to be fairly straightforward. Where I'm placing them in my car, I don't even have to remove any body panels whatsoever. I'll be able to run them up the side of the console and then tuck the wires out of the way and make it clean, nice, and tidy. If you're going to be doing this on your car, make sure you take the time and figure out how you're going to run things and see if you might need to take any of your interior panels apart. So I'm going to install these in the daytime right now, and then when we get into the evening hours, it gets a little bit dark outside, I'm going to go out and get some footage for you guys so you can see how they look in the car. But for now, I'm going to get started on that installation. So here we are out in my 300, and this is the remote. As you see, I got it plugged in, and these are the strips. I want to give you guys a small demonstration to show you the different modes that the lights can do. Now, turn it on, and as you can see right now, it's already doing the phasing through the different colors, and you can change it to where you make it look like you're in a video arcade, as well as you have the slow pulsing as it changes the colors. And there's this different one. See what else you can do. You can make it cycle through the different colors. You can make it where it stays red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cyan, and purple. And for me, in this car, the colors just looking like it's either going to be in the cyan or the blue. And not only can I adjust the colors, I can also adjust the brightness of them. And as you can see, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but I can dim them in I can dim them as well, excuse me. And so I think I'm going to go with this color blue because it closely matches the blue of the interior lighting of this car. So I am now going to run these into the footwells. And once I get that done, I will give you guys a glimpse of that. Okay, so here we are in the car, and I have them installed now. And the only kind of giveaway that there's something in here is like right about here. Oops, get my pocket away. Right here, you can see where the lines go in because I used the 12-volt plug that's in the glove box. I want to use this one here, but when you put that adapter plug into this socket, you can't close this door. So I mean, I can have those pins there, but I can turn it and you close that door and it conceals it. You couldn't do that with the adapter plug. So I put it in here and it is right there. And it's kind of light out right now, so you really can't see, but I'm gonna turn on my accessories, hit these lights, and then I have them set up now where it's just on the remote, but you turn it on. So I'm down here in the footwell. It's kind of bright out, but to give you guys an idea, with the lights on, I now have blue footwell ambient lighting to go with the blue lighting in my car. And it's daytime now. I'm really kind of excited to wait until dark so I can get the full effect. You can make it jump, make it fade, and then put them back on blue. So yeah, I will pick this back up when the sun goes down in a couple hours. It's right around 3 o'clock right now. Sun will probably go down right around 6:30, so I'll pick it up then. It's after 6 now. The sun's finally gone down enough to where it's dark enough outside where I can film this and you guys can see it. So here we are. We are in my 2015 Chrysler 300, and to give you guys an idea of what the dashboard looks like, okay, so that's what my dashboard looks like at night with the lights are on. Get that nice blue glow. But my footwells don't have anything. But now, this. And as you can see now, there is a nice blue glow in the passenger footwell. There is a nice blue glow in the driver's side. There goes my toes. And I am really liking the effect. And I can, like I said, I can adjust the brightness, turn it down a little bit, get it just about perfect. I really like the look of it. It looks, it's the look I was going for. And I will open the door so you guys can see it without me being in the way. There, so I got the dome light off now. And you guys can see just how nice that looks when you get into the car. Everything's lit up in blue, and I am very pleased with that. And you can consider this a job well done. Like I said, installation of these is fairly straightforward and simple. I actually think it's the easiest mod I have ever done in the history of this channel. I also want to take the time to thank Auxbeam for sending me out a set of these lights. I know a lot of people out there are interested in doing simple little modifications to their car, and this is an easy way to go. You don't have to splice any wires. You don't have to cut into any wiring harnesses. And if you don't like the lights, you can just pull them down and you know worse for the wear. So hopefully you all liked this video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button, smash subscribe. Don't forget to click the little bell. Like I said, I have massive news coming to this channel, and you're not going to want to miss that. So it is absolutely gorgeous outside. I have been cooped up in the house all winter. I had cabin fever bad, and I am excited to get out and enjoy the day. I hope you all are enjoying the day wherever you are, and I will see you guys on the next one.